I'm here on the morning of my third day, but the first official day of CES 2018, and I'm just gonna recap for you a little bit of what yesterday was all about. I started the day in a session talking about the marketing trends for what they're calling Generation Now. That's your 15 to 24-year-old kids. And I learned a lot from there, and I've got an article that I'm writing about that'll be posted at familytechblog.com very soon. I also spent some time listening to a few other things and a few other speakers, and then I went and heard the keynote by the CEO of Intel, and he shared quite a bit about data and how companies are using data now to do so many different things. And so I wanted to kind of show you some highlights from that and maybe a recap right after that I did record last night. But overall, the day two, it was really just about the marketing research that I learned from. And so check out that article at familytechblog.com and enjoy the rest of this, where you kind of see the cool tech stuff that they did with artificial intelligence, data, drones, a self-driving car, self-driving helicopter. Pretty neat. That was the last event of the day. It was the keynote address by the CEO of Intel, showing off some of the newest stuff. Crazy stuff. So as far as information that's relevant for you as a parent, it looks like data being tracked and managed is not going away. It's something that is going to continue, something that's going to be used to make our lives better and to increase safety and increase security for our lives. So we got to get used to it. It's a big night. We'll see you tomorrow for day one of the official non-media only CES.